I wanna show you how to add the text message pop-up effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to our toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Let's draw our window block where we want that our message will appear. Following, move to the Essential Graphics panel. Then, we are going to increase our value of corner radius under the Align and Transform section. Let's do it till the moment that our rectangle starts to take the chat bubble shape. Second step, come back to your toolbar and select the pen tool. Go to your chat box and let's make a wonderful triangle shape clicking on 3 points. As soon as our chat box is created, we are going to create a nest. Just select both of them, right click of the mouse and choose Nest. Select your Nest video clip, go to Effects Control and decrease the opacity by 85. Following, select our Nest clip again and duplicate it, just holding Alt and drag it over. Third step, go to the Effects and write Flip. Select the horizontal flip and drag it on the second chat box. It will flip it. And this small triangle is showing that on the other side someone is chatting. Perfect. Let's come back to our effects and write Color Replace. Let's drag these effects above our two chat box. Select one of them and go to the Effects control. Move to Target Color and click on the dropper. Go over to the first chat box in the preview screen and click on the color. Again, come back to the Effects control and change or replace the color that you want. The same thing we are going to do also for the second chat box. Change the color by selecting Target Color and replace with the color that you want. The final step is just select one of the chat box and drag it under one of them. Now we are going also to add some text to the chat box. Let's select our text tool and type some message. By the edit, you can also modify the text as you want. Let's see the result. Help to develop this channel, put your like and subscribe.